Hi guys, welcome to yet another how to use chest tent video. In this one I'm going to talk about the training room, how to use it as a coach or as a student. There are multiple ways to go and hopefully this video will help you find the best one for you. Let's start. Let's start by creating a new training. I always name trainings because it's easier to find them later. In this case I'll call it a student's training. Second thing to do, and you can also do it later, is to add a student or students who will have the access to the room. I'll add a demo student. There are some additional settings to play around, but for now I'll just create a training. Once you're in, you can start teaching right away using the analysis board. In the right top corner you can see who is in the room. I can see that both my student and I are in the room. Everyone in the room has board and step synced. That means whatever I do in the room, other users see. I'll start making some moves. e4, c5, knight f3. Again the Sicilian. In the analysis card, notice that all moves are being recorded. All the same rules as in the editor apply here. I can create new variation. For example, let's play e6, make comment or such. I've just made a few moves. My students can see all of them. Now let's say the student makes a few moves. We can see the board is changing. Basically, as mentioned, the board is live for all the users in the room. Obviously, it's much more fun learning when you can see the other person. That's why the video conference feature is integrated in the room. Anyone who is in the room can join the conference. Just click on the headphones, adjust the settings, and you're in. We've arrived at the interesting part. I hope you watched the video about the templates, because now is the time when we are going to use them. Templates are used to prepare chapters in advance and use them in the training. To import chapter, click on Add Chapters button, find the templates and select the chapters. Let's say this one we prepared in templates video. Now I have two chapters to go through with my students. Sometimes student needs more explanation. That's why the analysis card is here. At any given moment, you can make a random move on the board and dive into analysis. Let's say that here I want to know more about move g6. Notice how the active tab changed. This is important because navigation is contextual. Depending on the active tab, related steps are changed. If I want to move to the next step, I have to stop analyzing and then proceed. Now the step has analysis icon next to it to indicate the analysis, to which you can jump back later. This is also a good way to leave notes. Trainings are never deleted, so you can always come back to remind yourself. Chapters are a powerful tool. If prepared in the right way, students can go through them on their own. This option is extremely important because for a lot of students this mode is more appropriate. This option allows coaches to compose training from already prepared materials and sell them to the students for a lower price. Coach doesn't have to spend time teaching student, and this is a big thing. This is similar to the fitness. Coaches usually only create a program for the student to go through alone. If some things are unclear, a student can always leave a comment. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you have any question, please do reach out and don't forget to click the subscribe button. It really means a lot. Thanks.